Welcome to Lockwood Moore's instructional videos. This video will show you how to install the Ricoh print driver on a Mac. If you haven't downloaded the Ricoh print driver, do so now. The instructional video is available. It's named Ricoh Mac Print Driver Download. In your download, open the Ricoh driver package. Select Continue. The license agreement, select Continue and Agree. Select Install. Enter your username and password. Installation successful. Now move to Trash. Click on the Apple. Select System Settings. Select Printers and Scanners. Select Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax. Under Add Printer, select by IP address. Select Line Printer Daemon-LPD as the protocol. In the address, enter the copier's IP address. Add name. Enter a name for the copier and then click Add. The print driver is installed. Now time to test. Open a document and print.